Hi everyone, this is a video to show you about the wrap-up code solution offered by Omnichannel. First, let me log in into my Omnichannel page. I'm typing my company name. I'm entering the username. I'm entering the password. I'm clicking on login. I'm getting logged in into my Omnichannel page. This is my Omnichannel page. To show you the wrap-up code solution, I'm going to click on the Manage menu. Now I'm going to click on the wrap-up code submenu. I'm in my wrap-up code page. These are the wrap-up codes which I have already generated. This is the button to add new wrap-up codes. This is the icon to add the updates. And this is the delete icon using which you can delete the wrap-up codes. We'll see one by one and how to use them in real time. Before that, let me explain to you the importance of wrap-up codes in a contact center. In every contact center, either the agent calls the customer or the customer calls the agent, both of which involves a lot of interaction. There are many customers and there are many interaction. After the call, the agent has to categorize the calls. So wrap-up codes are very helpful when it comes to categorize the calls. If the codes are very simple, short and accurate like what omni-channel presents, then it is very easy for the agent to categorize the calls. It is also very useful for the manager to take a quick glance about the customer interactions and the agent performances and to devise further business strategies. Not only about the customer interaction, sometimes wrap-up codes also indicate the issues that are happening internally. For example, I have created a wrap-up code disconnected. Supposing the agent is going on categorizing the calls under disconnected, it means that when he has made a call, the call has been disconnected, which is a technical issue within the organization, which is a very serious issue, which may go unnoticed if such a wrap-up code is not created. So, wrap-up codes are not only important in customer interaction, it also indicates the internal issues. Now, let me show you how to add new wrap-up codes. I'm clicking on Add Wrap-up Code. There is a pop-up, Add Wrap-up Code. So, I'm going to add a new wrap-up code. I'm going to give a name to show you as an example. You can create wrap-up codes that are related to your business. It may be about your marketing campaigns, it may be about your products, it can be about anything related to your business. You can simply give a name which is simple and accurate. Now I'm going to do one. I have created one wrap-up code, verge of buying. I'm meaning that the customer is almost 99% ready to buy. I'm clicking on update. There is a notification wrap-up code added successfully, which means that I have added the wrap-up code successfully. If I have added it successfully, it should get displayed in the list and it is displayed in the list. So this is how you will add new wrap-up codes. You can create any simple wrap-up codes which is meaningful to your business. If you need to update the wrap-up code, then just click on the update icon in relevance to the wrap-up code that you want to update. I have clicked. There is a pop-up, update wrap-up code. I'm going to make an update. I have made a change, verge of buying, call again. This is just an example. I'm clicking on update. There is a notification wrap up updated successfully, which means that I have successfully made the changes. We can see here it is getting displayed as verge of buying, call again. So this is how you will update according to the requirement. Now if there are too many wrap-up codes, if there are wrap-up codes which are irrelevant to the department or the business or the brand, you want to simply delete it, you have to just click on the icon corresponding to the wrap-up code which you want to delete. Now I'm going to delete the wrap-up code which I have created. So I'm clicking on the delete icon. It will ask for a confirmation. I'm clicking on yes, deleted. It has been deleted. You can see that the wrap-up code is not found in the list anymore. So this is how you can add wrap-up codes, update the wrap-up codes, and if they are too old and irrelevant, you can delete them. Now this is an about icon. This about icon will take you to a page that indicates the significance of wrap-up code. This will help you to provide to the new agents who are under training. Supposing you recruit a new agent, he has to realize the importance of wrap-up code. He can read this document and get the necessary help. Now I'm going back to my omnichannel page. I'm going to show you how wrap-up codes will pop out and how the agent will select the wrap-up code when there is a call and a customer interaction. I'm going to click on an external 3CX dialer. This is my external 3CX dialer. Now we are going to imagine a situation that I am the customer. I am making a call to the agent. This is the agent. His name is Edmin over here. This is his extension number. I am the customer. I am going to make a call now. The extension number is 605, so I am going to call 605. I am making a call. The call has come. The agent is speaking now. The call is over. He is finishing the call. You see, as the call has come, there is a pop-up. You can see the details of the customer who has called. This is the extension number of the customer. And because he is a new customer, these details are not found. If the customer has been a regular customer, immediately all the details will be displayed. But you needn't worry. If he is a new customer, you can immediately add him to the contacts by providing all the details about the contact owner. Now I'm just going to enter the details of the new customer who has called me. So I'm just naming as contact owner 1. You can fill in all the details. To show you, I'm going to simply fill the contact owner, the name of the contact, I've named it as first name 1. I'm entering the email detail. So because he is a new customer, I'm entering all the details about the customer. This is another added advantage. Whenever there is a new customer call, you can simply convert him into a contact. Now I have finished the call. I have entered the details about the new customer also. Now I'm going to select the wrap-up code. This is the icon for that. I'm clicking on that. You can see here wrap-up code. I'm going to select the wrap-up code. Omnichannel offers very simple and accurate wrap-up codes which are very easy for the agent to choose. They are so accurate that the code itself will indicate what the whole interaction was about. Supposing the customer has asked about a product, I will click as general inquiry. Supposing it is a complaint call, I will click as complaint. Supposing the customer is very much interested, I will click on interested. Likewise, you can also add lot of codes in relation to your business which will be here and the agent can select it. Now I'm clicking on sales interested. I'm making a note. These notes will help the agent as well as the manager to get a quick glance of information about the interaction so that they can plan for the future. I'm just typing as the customer was very interested about the product. I'm clicking on save changes to make the changes. The contact updated successfully in the sense that because he was a new customer, I have entered the details and this new customer has been now added into contacts, which is very useful for your business. Now you have earned a new contact for your business. See here, it has been displayed in the list. I gave the name of the customer to be full name 1, his email details, his number, the contact owner. So this is how the wrap-up code is very important, not only in indicating the interaction as well as converting them directly into contacts. I'm going to click on this update button. Then I'm going to click on this activities. You can see here the notes that I made about this contact is here. It says the customer was very interested about the product. That is what the note that I made about him. This is how the manager as well as the agent, anyone can refer back to the call and get the information about the interaction and proceed further. You can also have a wrap-up code report. For that, I'm going into reports menu. I'm clicking on wrap-up report. You can see here the call history is displayed. I made a call from 807 as a customer. The phone number is here. The call typing is inbound. And I selected a wrap-up code sales interested. The time of the call, the date. So the history of the call is there. If you want to generate a particular report, you can go into wrap-up code report. Select the wrap-up code. Select the from date and select the to date. and click on generate report. You can see that report has been downloaded. I'm going to show you the report. You can see the call from and all the other details. So the wrap-up code solution offered by Omnichannel is very useful, unique, and it is very simple. We do not crowd you with complex codes. We do not have many DDLs to confuse the agents. Our codes are accurate, simple, relevant to your business, and even if you do not find any feature that pops into your mind in connection with your business, you can talk to us freely and we will customize solutions for you. We can always make changes, updates, or requirements within your budget and within your time specification. Thanks for watching the video.